Have you ever seen how a frog changes during its life cycle? Well, a frog changes a lot during its development. Now it's time to learn about the life cycle of frog. There are four stages in the life cycle of this frog. First one is egg, second is tadpole, third is froglet, fourth is frog. Starting with stage 1, egg. Look at this. This is female frog. This female frog lays thousands of jelly covered eggs at a time in water. This jelly holds and protects these eggs. After this, the male frog fertilizes these eggs. Now, this whole mass of fertilized eggs with jelly is called spawn. This is spawn. Come to stage 2. Stage 2, tadpole. This is fertilized egg. It changes into tadpole. As the fertilized egg matures, it splits into more and more cells and forms this tadpole. Within 1 to 3 weeks, this fertilized egg hatches and the tadpole comes out. This tadpole have now external gills. Look at this. These are gills. This tadpole have external gills, head and long tail. For the first 2 weeks, this tadpole makes very little movement. During this time period, the tadpole use the leftover egg yolk from this fertilized egg as food. Now the tadpole is strong enough to swim in the water. Come to stage 3. This is stage 3, froglet stage. This is froglet, this is froglet. As the tadpole continues to grow, it develops hind limbs. These are hind limbs and its body elongates. Look at this. The body elongates. Now this tadpole is called froglet. Later, forelimbs also develop. Look at this. These are hind limbs. These are forelimbs. And the tail shrink. The tail shrink. Skin is formed over the gills and now the gills disappear. Later, lungs also develop in this froglet. Stage 4. Adult frog. The froglet changes into adult frog. At about 12 weeks of the age, the froglet gills and the tail have been fully absorbed in the body. Lungs of the frog are now functional. They are completely functional. Now at this stage, this froglet is called adult frog. Look at this diagram. It shows complete life cycle of frog with 4 different stages. Female frog lays eggs. Eggs develop into tadpole with head, external gills and long tail. The tadpole changes into froglet with hind limbs and forelimbs, and then this froglet changes into adult frog.